Okay, so that means that you have a portfolio of Reliance of 500 shares, and you want to hedge against the downside risk by using put options. Okay, so here you have to the strike price of Reliance on that particular day. There were a lot of strike prices, so you choose 2,500, and option premium was 50 bucks, and delta of the option was 0.545. Current stock price is 2550. Okay, so so you have to calculate the hedge ratio. How many shares you need to go for put? How many? uh, वही 111. Cost of hedging. What is your cost of hedging? That is the premium you're going to pay upfront. Evaluate the hedge. What kind of money you have made? Either you have made money or lost money. Okay. If the stock price drops to this thing, हाँ हाँ हाँ, इसमें हम कह रहे हैं कि हम एज्यूम कर रहे हैं कि 250 का है तो आप 2 लॉट्स का कर रहे हो ना. बट जो लॉट्स डिपेंड करेगा जो आपको जितना हेज रेशियो है. फाइन. फाइन. अभी लॉट साइज को भूल जाओ, हम पहले क्वेश्चन का समझ लेते हैं, फिर आप उसको लॉट के हिसाब से आइदर यू कैन गो फॉर ओवर हेजिंग और यू कैन गो फॉर अंडर हेजिंग डिपेंडिंग अपॉन सपोज योर लॉट साइज डजंट मैच विद योर पोर्टफोलियो, तो आइदर यू आर गोइंग टू ओवर हेज और अंडर हेज अगर आपका लॉट साइज इंक्रीज हो जाता है, तो अगर आपका वो इंक्रीज हो जाता है विद पोर्टफोलियो. सो नंबर ऑफ द शेयर्स हेल्ड 500, delta of the option 0.45, number of the shares held is 500 of Reliance in cash market. Okay, so delta of the put option is 0.45. So what will the hedge ratio? 500 divided by 0.45. huh 500 शेयर थे, डेल्टा 0.45 है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? 500 डिवाइड बाय 4.5 करेंगे, बिकॉज द डेल्टा इज 0.45. सो इफ द शेयर प्राइस कम्स डाउन, ही इज नॉट गोइंग टू मेक द फुल मनी. द डिफरेंस द शेयर प्राइस जितना फॉल करेगा उतना तो प्रोवाइड करेगा नहीं, तो उसको डबल खरीदने पड़ेंगे, सो दैट ही अर्न्स द सेम मनी विच ही इज लूजिंग इन द मार्केट. जो एक्चुअल पोर्टफोलियो में लॉस हो रहा है उसको डबल बेचने में लॉस कम पूरा होगा. ओके, so I think you are not present, anybody who asked this question, because we covered this in our हाँ शेयर्स. सो अभी कितने शेयर चाहिए? 1111. इज दैट ओके? 1011.11. So you would approximately buy put options for 1111 to hedge the portfolio. Calculate the hedge ratio. So which is 111 rounded off कर दिया आपने. Option premium 50 रुपए दिया. Cost of hedging will be this much. So you're going to pay 50 bucks as a premium. So this money you're going to buy up a put option. Okay, you're not a put writer, so you're going to pay the put writer 55,000 rupees for buying this put option, isn't it? Now the total cost of buying 111 put option is 55,000. Is that clear to everyone? आपने खरीदे तो आपको प्रीमियम देना पड़ेगा. कितना प्रीमियम दिया आपको? 55,555. Now if the stock price drops to 2,400 at expiration, the payoff from the put option will be like this. Strike price 2,500, stock price at the expiration itna, hedge ratio itna. So payoff from the put option will be 2,500 minus 2,400 into triple so many ones. Okay, fine. Calculate the portfolio loss. So that means you will get 1,11,111 rupees as a gain. Okay, fine. Now, what will be the portfolio loss? You have a portfolio also. In that case, the share prices have gone down from 20. हाँ, अब आ गया 2400 आ गया, तो आपको लॉस हो रहा है कितना? 150 इंटू 15, सो 75,000 का आपको लॉस हो रहा है पोर्टफोलियो में. लेकिन आपको गेन कितना हो रहा है? 1,01,000, 1,11,000 plus the premium also. So if you just do the calculation, you are still making a loss of 19,000 because the cost of hedge was very high. You paid 55,000 as premium. You lost in the portfolio 75,000, but you gained by entering into this deal as 1,11,000. So that means your loss is 19,000. So after implementing the hedge, the put option partially offsets the portfolio loss, but the cost of purchasing the option adds an extra burden. As a result, there is a net loss. So here he is not able to fully protect himself from the fall. So he would do some kind of a change. He may, go for a higher number of shares. Okay, if that would be the scenario. But इस क्वेश्चन में तो आपको बताना है इसको गेन हो रहा है, लॉस हो रहा है, how much he is able to protect himself. Is that okay? Just